Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Rizky Pratama Rudiar. I am computer science graduate from Binus University in 2020. Today, I'm going to talk about bank race to tap Indonesian Sharia growth by leveraging digital platform. This topic is part of recruitment process for Muamalat Associate Program Digital Banking. Now the question is, what is digital banking? Digital banking is the digitalization or moving online of all the traditional banking activities and program service that were historically only available to customers when physically inside of a bank branch. Now, the next question is, how's digital banking in Indonesia? After banking digitalization, digital bank concept is currently trending in Indonesia. The effort shows banking digital transformation is no longer depend on service digitization, but also to become a separate entity. As the ecosystem and technology is getting mature, 2021 would likely to be the year of the digital bank's realization in Indonesia. The emergence of new digital bank would help create a digital financial ecosystem and encourage education for better financial literacy. In fact, this trend will bring many collaboration opportunities. There are a lot type of banking operation and system, but the one that unique and interesting is Sharia banking system. Sharia banking system is based on Islamic banking. The characteristic of Islamic banking operation is based on partnership and mutual benefit principle provides an alternative banking system with mutual benefit both for public and the bank. In terms of Sharia banking, Muamalat Bank leads the way to provide Sharia service to their customer in Indonesia. Muamalat Bank already start to expand their service by providing mobile banking apps called Muamalat Din. This app is to challenge the digitalization era. With great and important feature available in this app, this app could help their customer to access the banking transaction easier. There are a lot of features in this app such as basic banking transaction like transfer, balance checking, etc. Customer also can open Muamalat Bank account with the app, and they can top up their e-wallet. As a Sharia bank based on Islamic concept, the apps provide Islamic content such as zakat calculator, praying schedule, and Qibla. In my opinion, there's a lot of things that still could be explored. My idea is to create many features based on Sharia system to make Muamalat Bank digital app is different and unique. This could be start from the UI UX design with great functionality and user friendly, and then for the feature that could add a lot of things such as a safer program for the youth or millennials based on Islamic content so they could prepare for the future with Sharia mindset. A lot of program and content could be added like Haji, Kurban, etc. The most important thing after all of the cool Sharia feature developed is how to distribute to user. Digital internet most active user is millennials. This could be the market segment that could be tackled. But with all of the opportunity, there's also a challenge to be faced. Most of millennials, not all, but some of them are still uninterested or ignorant about Sharia banking. This is the issue that we need to be solved. One of the solutions is to engage with millennials through the youth or millennial approach. In this era, social media is part of the lifestyle of millennials. This could be a part of the solution to create a campaign and grow a positive mindset about Sharia banking and digital banking apps to them. Hopefully, in the future, digital banking, Sharia banking system, and Muamalat Bank could grow further in terms of providing the best digital experience to their customer. I'm Rizky Pratama, and I'm looking forward to take a part on that process. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.